Hi, it's Michael LaFido, author of the best-selling book, Secrets to Top Luxury Agents, and the founder of the Luxe Designation, which I want to talk to you about today. Have you ever thought about hosting an event, whether you're a team leader, you're a broker owner, or you just like having fun and bringing in top-notch speakers? If so, I want to talk to you about possibly hosting our Luxe Designation training. So far in 2024, we've taught the class 6 times, and our goal is to teach it another 24 times over the next 15 months. So we are looking for key partners that want to grow their business, they want to increase their average sale price, and perhaps they want to bring in a little bit extra income by being our local Luxe host. So if you have any interest in this, please reply to this email or reply to this video. Let us know. Again, Michael LaFido, we have been teaching this class. We've taught it in Canada. We've taught it in Mexico 3 times. We've taught our classes in Dubai. We are coming to a city near you. So why not host our event versus let the competition host it? So if you're interested, we literally have a checklist, a standard of procedure punch list of everything that is needed. We will partner with you. You will partner with local sponsors, and it can be an income stream for you, and your team members benefit and you benefit because we're going to literally take you under our wing, help you increase your average sale price so you can work smarter, not harder. So if you're interested in hosting a Luxe Designation training, please reply. Also, we are looking for partners for our webinars. We typically will do a webinar a few weeks before our in-person event. We'll go into the details when we talk. But again, we are looking for you if you're interested in hosting a Luxe Designation training. Again, my name is Michael LaFido. Keep raising the bar. And I want to show you an example of what an event looks like. So literally, this is our free luxury book, which again, I told you about. You can get more information by going to freeluxurybook.com. But this is our event page for our Denver event, for example. We will provide an event registration page with the countdown clock, educational video, and if there's any sponsors. But you can literally see some testimonials from people that have attended our events as well. This is an example of an event page which we would put together for our local hosts. So again, if you want to work smarter, not harder, you want to increase your average sale price, you want to differentiate your team, your brokerage, or you for recruiting purposes, retention purposes, please reach out. And again, this could be an income producer for you as well and a way to differentiate yourself. Michael LaFido, make it a great day and prove others wrong.